What's up, everybody? Today we're doing bushcraft with only a machete and a knife. So I'm walking down the woods trying to find a good spot. It's really cold, like really cold. If you are a new viewer, consider liking and subscribing. I'm trying to grow my channel to 2,000 subscribers, and so far got 100, 900 more to go. So what I'm looking for is a pine tree that's not too tall, short enough. Oh, there's some deer over there. Short enough to the point where these limbs are a little bit lower, so I can make either a lean-to or a, I forgot what the other one's called. I'll put it right here. Or I could use those pipes. Alright, we'll come back to this later. I'm just gonna keep walking. Trail ends up here, so I'm just gonna be going through woods. Looks like I found a nice spot. I'm gonna take a little break. Let's go explore. Cool. Put that where my tent's gonna be. Alright, pine straws a lot harder to keep on there than I thought. I built a basic little shelter. I need to put more stuff on top. I might make a part 2. Might. If I spend the night, I might. But hold up, before we go, I am gonna look for some stuff. Take some time. Like and subscribe. Part 2 may not be a while. I'm gonna have some videos before that comes out, but next time I'm gonna make the thing actually like insulated. For watching this my first ever bushcraft video. It's like a bushcraft survival, basically. But thank you for watching my bushcraft survival with the machete.